Shrestha from grade 6 Mahakali, and today I am here to make a temporary magnet. First and foremost, let me define the term. Magnets are substances with the property of attracting magnetic bodies like iron. There are two types of magnets, temporary magnets and permanent magnets. Permanent magnets are those magnets that retain their magnetism for a longer period of time. Horseshoe magnets, bar magnets are some examples of permanent magnets. Temporary magnets are made out of soft metals that retain their magnetism only when they are around a permanent magnetic field or an electric current. Electromagnets, stroked magnet are some examples of temporary magnets. There are two ways of making temporary magnets, stroking method and electrical method. Electrical method of making magnets is the method of making magnet using an electric current. When electricity is passed through a magnetic substance, a temporary magnet is made. They retain their magnetic property only till the electricity is passed. Now I will be making a temporary magnet using stroking method. To make a temporary magnet, you will need an iron rod, a bar magnet, and some paper clips. Firstly, I will take the bar magnet and start stroking against the iron rod in the same direction. Now let's test the magnet. As you can see, the iron rods are getting attracted to each other. Apparently, it's not working on the paper clips. As you saw, the iron rods got attracted to each other because one of them acts as a temporary magnet. The paper clips didn't get attracted because they're insulated by the plastics. So this is how we make a temporary magnet by stroking method. Some uses of magnets are, it is used to lift heavy magnetic bodies. Magnets are used in electrical devices. So I hope you learned how to make your own temporary magnet.